let's search. We finish searching for the free images. Now let's create animated images. Okay, now clear it, and let's bring our images. First one, this, just like the previous exercise, enlarge it. Okay, zoom out so you can see, you can enlarge it well. Okay, now let's bring the second image, which is the cloud, just like the previous exercise we did. So send it back and drag it to the right. Okay, now we have this. This is what we have. See, but the escape. So okay, now you can see it very well. Okay, now let's bring our first image, the running man. This is the running man. Okay, okay, like this is okay. Okay, let's preview it. Okay, it is outside. Okay, let's preview it. You can see him running in the same spot. Okay, now let's animate him. Go to animation, go down to line. Okay, zoom out so you can see it well. So drag the red dot to the right side. Okay, let's animate, let's zoom it. Let's preview it. Okay, oh, you can see how he's running like Usain Bolt. Okay, so now let's bring our animation pane and add the speed, reduce the speed. The speed now is 2 seconds. So it's taking 2 seconds to run this. Taking 2 seconds to run from here to the other side. Okay, we want him to run slower. Okay, so let's take it to 6 seconds. Is this 6 seconds? Okay, still let's see what we have. Very slow. Okay, this is not what we wanted. I wanted him to run 6 seconds. What is going on here? Okay, it's okay. Let's try and see. Still okay. Let's preview it again. Okay, you can see now it's running slower than before. Okay, escape. Okay, now let's bring our second image, which is the running dog. Okay, let's put him here. Let's bring the dog here. Let's preview it. The dog is not running because it wasn't animated. Okay. Okay, now let's animate the dog. The same process. Come to line. line, take the second one to the other side. Okay, the dog too is somewhere here. Okay, let's preview it. Okay, you can see the dog ran faster than the man, but it was on mouse click. So let me change it to start with previous. So it will start together with the man. So let's preview it. As you can see how the dog is running faster. Okay, that wasn't what we want. We want them to run, or the man to run before the dog follows. So how do we do that? We go here, up here to delay, you write 3. So it means the dog will delay 3 seconds, but will reach at the same time the man reaches the end. So let's preview it. You see. So, but we wanted the man to reach. So this is what we wanted. The man, the dogs normally run faster than men. So that is why you can see here the man is running, but the dog will come and pass him. Okay, I think it is understood now, and this is the end of this lesson. See you in the next lesson. Bye.